Hello guys, here we're in part 3, Diamond Mary Nights. Well, when we're all done with this, guess what book am I reading next? Diamond Grandman Punishment is next. So let's just get started and start reading chapter 8, chapter number 8, Becoming PT. Meanwhile, sorry dude, we're all out. I can't believe it. Nobody has any living spray, or can I go? Let's do something else. I'm hungry. No, I'm not giving up until we're back live with Petey the cat, who has agreed to give us a tour of his secret laboratory, which is filled with all kind of dangerous stuff. And it's and several of apparatus of and Tillabora doesn't matter. And a depot of doodads of doom. Hey, look, there they are. Beep boop. I have detected the items we were searching for. We must acquire them at PT's lab. Oh, hi, Diamond. How's it going? Ruff! Aw, I'm sorry to hear that. Cheer up, little buddy. Everything will be okay. Hospital. Plop. Ding dong. Hospital. My goodness, it's a box of candies. I'm gonna share these bad boys with everybody. Who wants some wet candies? I just found on the sidewalk. Nom 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 nom. He then knows his butt. Nom nom nom. Speaking of weird cantations, your childhood was hard, wasn't it? Yeah, but your father didn't stick around, did he? No, but. And then you were offered. Yes, but. Yeah, but. Life didn't give you any breaks, did it? No, but. So you became a harder criminal. Yeah, but. Did it fill the empty void in your life? No, but. But then something changed, didn't it? Are you gonna let me talk? Certainly. Okay, all of those things did happen. But that's not why I became a bad guy. Then why, PT? Why did you turn to the dark side? Well, I stinkle little fart, blew my underwear apart, blasting from my butt so loud, like a diarrhea cloud, stinkle little fart. Blew my under. What is wrong with you two? We're thirsty. Yeah, but potato chips can get pretty dry if you don't have a chip dip. No offense. Alright, walk this way. Roar, stomp, 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 stomp. What are you doing now? Walking like you. And so we have apple juice and cranberry. Apple, sugar. Hey Wally, do you got any real cups? Sippy cups are for babies. Last week you kids spilled jerry juice all over the couch. So no, it's either sippy cups or nothing. Sippy cups. Alrighty then. And don't leave them lying around on the floor. So mad. Wait, was that? Wait. Oh, I missed a page. I'm tired too. Picking up after you two. Boy, Wally sure is a grouch today. I wonder why. Chapter 9, The Battle Days. Check on the level of water so that you can see. We're back with Petey the cat. But instead of telling us his story, he's going to show us. For the record, I think this is a bad idea. Why? We've got these kids with us. They're gonna ruin everything. He's right. This is a bad idea. Oh, come on, Petey. Show us your story. Well, okay. I got in trouble when I was younger. I made some bad choices. And I got caught by Dogman. No, it was before Dogman. This is the first jail they sent me to. Jail for cats. So I served my time and I tried to do good. But when I finally got out, I couldn't get a job. I couldn't find a home. Boot. And nobody would give me a second chance. Wait, but there's a second chance dinner. Pop. Everywhere I went, people just saw the bad in me. Get lost, you criminal. Let anyone who is without sin be the first one to kick me out. Blink. So it's that why you returned to a life of crime? What choice did I have? No matter how hard I tried, nobody will let me forget who I used to be. Meanwhile, hey robot, I don't think anybody is home. Beep boop, beep boop. Don't worry about it. I just need to zizz, clunk, boink, crash, biff, boom, boink, bonk, wham, robot. Grandpa, was it you all along? Of course it was me all along. Now quit standing there like a grum job. And help me find what I'm looking for. I shall not. Your detention has come to an end. For I am Clunk. Well, looky here. No, Grandpa, oh, dry up. No, hey, let go of me. Boom. Tss. Sipporama. Drip it, don't drip it. Sip it, don't drip it. First one. Now look what you made me do. Those two sippy cups just came to life. And it's all your fault. Oh, don't worry, Grandpa. They're so cute and little. What harm could they possibly do? What this right here says? Clunk. Plick, plump, clunk. Catch. Shaka, shake. Crash, rumble, cram, bummer. So I'm gonna stop here at chapter 10. I hope you like this video. Give a big thumbs up, a very big thumbs up. The subscribe that button and notifications on. The next book what we're doing is Dummy Ground Punishment. Yeah, wait here a minute. Let me get my $22 out from the show. Okay, just wait a minute. Wait, where did I print this? Wait just a minute. Okay, wait. Okay, and that. Tommy Fish 22. Oh my god, wait, why is it that glitch? Okay. Tommy Fish 22. Tommy Million Heights I'm about to finish. Tommy Great Punishment. And let's see. Let's get the other one. Dormian book. I think most of you have that book. But 3D's book, some of you maybe don't, because this then came a long time ago. This then came it just came like 2 months ago, 1 year ago. So I hope you like this video, and goodbye.